How's it going, everyone? Thanks so much for joining me in today's Bitcoin analysis video. Bullish signs are starting to appear, and with that, we will be looking for moves up soon, but there's one place I think Bitcoin's going to head first, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly where that is. Before we jump in, I want to let you know we currently have 48 wins, 0 losses right now. This adds up to a total of 192% combined profit, beating the S&P 500 by 1,920%, and this is only within about a third of a year trading. If we're already beating the S&P 500 by 1,920% in just a third of the year, imagine what that full year is going to look like. Speaking of which, be sure to check out the brand new trade setups. We have a ton of new members that have joined us over the last few days. Thank you so much for that. Be sure to check out these brand new trade calls in the links in the description down below. And with that, let's get into the analysis. Heading over to the Trade Confident website, we're going to scroll down to Bitcoin. And the first metric we're looking at is the Bitcoin Emotional Index. Finally, after a couple of weeks of trading essentially sideways here, we have dropped into anxious territory. This is major news for Bitcoin, and this tells me that we could really be seeing moves up soon. You can see right here, just as we almost touched it, that we saw some pretty significant moves up. So now that we've dropped into anxious territory, this is where we're going to be looking for moves up soon. I will say, though, we may actually drop further as the price drops further. As I said, there is something we need to watch out before the next pump, but this is bullish in the longer term. Next up is going to be the Bitcoin Volatility Breakout Detector. We're still in about the mid-range of volatility, but I do expect a drop coming soon before the next move up, and I think that would increase the volatility significantly. Up next is going to be the Bitcoin Whale Smart Money metric. We are still seeing a lot of long trade sentiment in the market amongst whales. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too, so we should be seeing price moves up soon. However, it's not until this value reaches above 800 that we're really looking for those moves up. So a move down here could push us potentially to that 800 range. Next is going to be the Bitcoin major support and resistance levels. I think this is my target right here. I think we're going to drop down to structure support at $28,473 before making any sort of moves back up. We'll have to reassess at that structure support, but I really do think a drop to that level is incoming. From there, after we bounce up, we'll have to retest structure resistance at $31,443. Next is going to be the Bitcoin long versus short trades. Long trades are still vastly outperforming short trades here, and this tells me that we should be expecting moves up in the long term for Bitcoin. This is an uptrend. We got a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and now on a higher high. Just looking for that higher low to continue moving upwards. Last but not least is the Bitcoin trade signals chart. No signals to report right now, but we will be keeping everyone updated as the price drops. I'll be looking for a buy signal in anticipation of the next move up. Once we get that, that's when I think the uptrend is going to begin. Now, whether you trade Bitcoin or not, paying attention to these Bitcoin metrics is going to be essential. Where Bitcoin goes, the rest of the market is usually going to follow. So even if you don't trade Bitcoin, you need to be paying attention to what Bitcoin is going to do. On top of the metrics for Bitcoin and 20 coins total, you can get access to our trade setups. We just posted new ones. We're 9 active trades, 48 wins, 0 losses, absolutely incredible. And yesterday, we posted a brand new crypto forecast, members only content there. So if you want to get access, all you got to do is click the membership link in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and it's going to be the very first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. You're going to want to grab the full access for $59 a month. This comes with insane coupons for the indicators. It's actually much cheaper to buy the membership and get access to those codes if you want to purchase the indicators than it is to buy them outright. Highly recommend doing that with that coupon code. It's essentially a free membership plus some extra discount. You'll get access to our scalping trades, metrics across all 20 coins, morning brew overview, future forecasts, and more. Just go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. Here we are looking at Bitcoin USD on the 1-day time frame. I'm trading with the trend dashboard right here, the TC top and bottom finder, the brand new support and resistance chart, the breakout detector, price versus well money flow, and trades in favor indicators. These indicators are performing amazingly. We just released them earlier this week, and our members are already doing great. Right now, we're seeing a 51% chance of a pump. Let me move this chart over to make it a little more clear. 51% chance of a pump, not quite to the point where I'm really looking for those long trades, but as this, it dropped into 57. Okay, so pay attention to here. We're switching between 51 and 57% chance of a pump, but as this drops, I will expect to drop into long trade zone pretty quickly here. Well, money is kind of shifting out of the market. We are getting a very small leg up, so this may result in a slight move up, but honestly, I do think we're going to see a drop pretty quickly here to structure support at $28,473. Let me get rid of the TC top and bottom finder signal so you can see it better. I do expect well money to drop out of the market, and as it does, it should pull the price down, bringing the trades in favor down into a much more favorable area for long trades. Honestly, I wouldn't be shocked to see the breakout detector or push into the breakout zone either. This would show that the next move up would be absolutely crazy. On top of that, we are starting to see bullish signals flash for the traditional indicators, so this move down is just about over. I think the absolute max we're going to see is $28,473 again. From the current price, this would result in a drop of about 5%. Nothing hugely crazy there. Moves down in Bitcoin around 5% are pretty common. All that's going to require is that we break out of this little tiny channel pattern that we've been in for quite some time. I think it's very possible, but I think after that we're going to bounce, retest, and break back above for the next move up. We've not quite formed that higher low here. I think that's really what we need to see in order for the next move up to really happen. But again, signals are beginning to flash bullish, both traditional and with our own indicators here. Seeing lots and lots of bullish sentiment starting to come into the market, which is very exciting for Bitcoin. We really need to be seeing that. Now, these indicators are absolutely crushing it in this market. You need to be paying attention to exactly what these are doing. It's not just Bitcoin, but just about every single coin is going to be absolutely amazing with these indicators. Of our 48 wins this year, the most recent ones have actually been done using these indicators in combination. So if you're a member with us and recently took scalping trades, you've actually used these indicators before. So why not get access for yourself across all coins? Let me show you how to grab them with the best discount possible. Once again, links are in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators will be the second link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to the pro indicators page. Scroll down here. This person earned 16% with us. This person's up almost $9,000 with their account up over 39%. This person made $950 in one day, $4,300 in just a week, $2,100 in 3 days. Absolutely crazy. Best deal here is to get the Pro Indicator Pack right here using the member discount. Remember what I said, our $59 a month membership includes a membership discount of $150 off, while non-members only get $50. One way to think about it is you're getting a free month's membership with an extra $91 discount for the indicators. If you're a member, just click this to grab the access code. But no matter what, in order to get the best possible deal, you're going to grab the Pro Indicator Pack first. Click here, scroll down and click I want this. Fill out your information, click pay, and it'll offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off. Click add to cart. You'll have $400 off there for a total of $848. Now, if we do $848 minus the $150 member discount, right here, you get a total of $698. This is actually less than our original bundle pack with the combination of the TC top and bottom finder. You're getting crazy updated indicators at a cheaper price, plus the equivalent of a free month's worth of membership. Make sure your information is correct, click pay, and you are good to go. From there, all we're watching for is whale money to continue moving out of the market. This should drop the price to a range around $28,473, where the trades in favor will have dropped. We're currently at 57% chance of a pump. I'd like to see that a little higher before making any moves, and I'd love to see the breakout detector in its breakout zone. Next, we're seeing a bunch of green here from the traditional indicators, meaning that this move down is probably going to be very short-lived. And at this point, we're just looking for a buy signal from the TC top and bottom finder to indicate the next move up in Bitcoin. That's what we're looking for. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the next video.